Ever feel like you're not gonna find that perfect home? Well, no worries. I am eager to tell you about the excellent home I have found on Eberly. Take a look.
This like-new home has everything you need and more in Tradewinds Square. Great front porch to enjoy. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage with approximately 1,496 square feet. Spacious living room, large dining and kitchen combo, and a huge laundry room with great storage. The kitchen has a large eat-in bar and plenty of cabinets. The owner's suite is spacious with a nice size full bathroom with double sinks. The back patio and backyard are great. This home has it all. Come check out this amazing property today.
You can live happily ever after in your forever home on Eberly. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.